Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser is blocking websites and displaying a warning that the connection is untrusted, it is usually caused by an incorrect system clock, a corrupted internal certificate database, or a self-signed network certificate. I will show you exactly how to bypass this warning and fix your secure connection right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason Firefox completely rejects a website's security certificate is that your computer's internal clock is out of sync, making the browser believe the certificate is either expired or not yet valid. To fix this on a Windows computer, right-click directly on the time and date display in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Look for the toggle switch explicitly labeled Set Time Automatically. Turn this switch completely off, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. Click the Sync Now button directly beneath it to force your computer to pull the exact current time from Microsoft's global servers. Restart your Firefox browser, and the untrusted warning should disappear. Next, if your clock is perfectly accurate but the error continues, your Firefox browser's internal certificate storage file might be fundamentally corrupted and needs to be completely rebuilt. Open your Firefox browser, click the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner, select Help, and then click on More Troubleshooting Information. Under the Application Basics section, look for the Profile folder row and click the Open Folder button to reveal your core system files. Now completely close your Firefox browser so the background files are not actively locked by the operating system. In the folder that just opened, scroll down until you find a file named cert8.db or cert9.db. Right-click on this specific file and delete it. When you reopen Firefox, it will automatically generate a brand new, perfectly clean certificate database, which often instantly resolves the connection block. Finally, if you are trying to access a local home router, a printer configuration page, or a private company intranet, the device might be using a self-signed certificate that Firefox will always flag as untrusted by default. You can safely bypass this by manually adding a local exception. On the error page itself, click the button labeled I understand the risks or the Advanced button at the very bottom. Next, click on Add Exception to open the Certificate Manager. A new window will pop up showing the site's location status. Ensure the box for Permanently Store this exception is checked, and then click the Confirm Security Exception button. The page will immediately reload, and you will have full access to your secure local network. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.